Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify education loans with Credible, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify education loans with Credible, start by visiting the Credible website. Once on the home page, look for the Get Started button. Click on the button to initiate the loan verification process. You'll need to create an account if you don't have one already. Provide your email address and create a strong password. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link. Click the link in your email to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in using your credentials. Next, select the type of loan you want to verify. Input the required information about your educational institution. This may include the school name, degree program, and graduation date. After entering your educational details, provide your personal information. Include your name, address, and social security number. Next, you will enter your financial details. This includes your income, any existing debt, and assets. Once you've filled in your information, review it for accuracy. Submit your information by clicking the designated button. Credible will then match you with lenders that can offer loan verification. You'll receive loan options tailored to your needs. Review the loan offers carefully. Consider the interest rates, terms, and any associated fees. If you find a loan that suits your needs, proceed to accept the offer. Follow the lender's instructions to finalize the loan verification process. Finally, keep an eye on your email for updates from lenders regarding your verification status. By following these steps, you can efficiently verify education loans with Credible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.